Say good morning, Amari. Alright, you guys, so this is my son Amari. He is 6 weeks. He's still in the newborn stage, and he just got up from sleeping. It's the morning time. He sleeps in this Snuggle Me Organic. I talk about this in my newborn essentials video. I'm going to change him, and then after I change him, I'm going to breastfeed him. But yeah, he usually sleeps on the bed with us. He prefers to sleep that way. He sleeps a lot longer in the Snuggle Me Organic ever since he was born, or he just sleeps on the bed next to us. When he wakes up in the morning, I like to turn the light bright white because when he sleeps, we usually do like different colors. Right now we have the lights that like purple and orange. We named this the Amari lights because he likes this combination of lights. But in the app, the Hue app that goes with Echo, there's so many different settings for lights. I definitely recommend this, or you can just get the Hatch Baby. I like to tell Echo to turn all the lights white. Echo, turn all the lights up to 100%. See? And then we get to see baby boy's face, and he knows it's morning time. Good morning, Papa. He's like, what the heck is that? So when I change him on this changing table. I got this from my registry from, what was it, Bye Bye Baby. I love it. It's like a nice size. It holds all of his things. His drawers are all organized, you know, with his clothes, his bibs, his onesies, his burp cloths, his snuggles. What am I saying? Snuggle? His swaddles. And then at the bottom, it's just miscellaneous things, blankets, towels, bags. So yeah, I like to take him out of this thing so he can do a little bit of stretching before I change his diaper. He usually has like a 10-minute stretch session. See? And it usually begins now. Go ahead, Papa, stretch. He's like, I'm not stretching with that camera on you.
A few moments later.
He has a dead face looking at the camera like, what are you doing? Stretch, Papa, stretch. Good boy. Good boy. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick how I change his diaper. We use A&D ointment. It's been doing us good since he was born. And he has the newborn Pampers. These are from Honest brand. So first thing I like to do, this is kind of like a hack, is put a pamper underneath his dirty one, just so you can avoid any messes to your changing table and to baby. This is some natural hand sanitizer. Always want to make sure your hand is clean before you touch baby. So boom, boom. And during this time, I just talk to him, you know. Sometimes he talks back if he's in the mood, but it's the early morning, so you just want to get his stretch on. There we go. And then you just want to pull out the little slide flaps here to avoid any leaks. Sometimes I go over it a second time just to make sure it is secure. Now moving on to breastfeeding. Yo, I love breastfeeding my son. Like, this is one of my favorite things to do. I especially love the side lying position because we get to gaze into each other's eyes as he's eating, and I get to control my boob to make sure he has a good latch when he's sucking. Look at that face, my little chubba lumpkins. Don't let that cute face fool you. He is greedy. He does not play when it comes to his food, and I don't blame him. Breast milk tastes kind of good. I don't know if you guys ever tried your own breast milk. It kind of tastes like watered down, overly sweet almond milk. I don't know if that's the best description, but that's pretty much how I can describe it. Let me know if you guys want me to do a breastfeeding video. And yeah, this is pretty much what we do, probably like 7 to 8 times a day. And if you guys are wondering like what's on my other boob, it's basically this thing called the Haka, I think, catcher. I'll link it in the description box down below. But it basically catches any milk that's dripping from whatever other boob that the baby is not sucking on. I love this thing. It helps me save so much milk. Like, before I knew about this, like, the milk was literally just dripping in my nursing pad. And I could not believe how much milk was actually being wasted. Good job. Guys, so I just finished breastfeeding Amari, and now it's time for his bath. So I already got some of his stuff like lined up to make the process of getting him dressed so much easier. I have everything set out. I have like a little blanket here with his towel over it, which I'm gonna rest him on right now while I take his clothes off. And over here I have this cute little outfit picked out that says I love mommy, because he does. And then I have his lotion. The lotion that we use is by Noodle and Boo. It's made for newborns and it smells amazing, you guys. And then I have his pamper and then some A&D ointment. And I think that's all we're gonna need. So I'm just gonna get him undressed. He's not taking his eyes off the camera, boy. Ready? Up, up, and away. Alright guys, so here we are in the bathroom. I already set Amari's bath. So right now he's in the towel. I'm gonna take him out and get his bath started. Alright, so the soap that I'm gonna be using is Baby Dove Sensitive Moisture. I'm gonna put a few pumps. So we're gonna start with his little toesies. Get in between them, any lint from him wearing socks. You wanna get all the creases of his foot, his legs, his little yummy chunky legs. You want to make sure you get in between every crease of the toes. Ooh. At the side. Next hand. Get underneath your arm. I'm going to close that up again. Keep them nice and warm. Get them rollies. Say, I don't want to smell like Parmesan cheese anymore, Mama. You guys, do you see how much lint be under their neck? Like, you really have to get under their neck good, because this is like ridiculous. We just got in the room from Amari's bath, and right now I'm just focusing on drying his head. A few pumps of this lotion in. It's literally gonna do his whole body. This would do like one of my legs. Hey Papa, ready to put on your shirt? Get in between his toes. I like to do a little massages. One thing I like to do is put on his shirt from the bottom, because it's less fuss to go over his head, and as you can see, he is fussy. I don't have anything to use on his hair. If you guys have any recommendations, leave them in the comment section down below. You gotta make sure you dry the baby's hair properly, and he loves this little massage. Makes him knock right out. Most of the time the back of his head doesn't get combed because he sleeps on his back. But it's okay. And just like that, he was knocked out. Oh, he's smiling for you guys. So usually in the daytime we put him in the swing. He really loves it. Gently rocks him to sleep. Every time you give him a warm bath, like, he knocks out every single time. And this allows me to get ample stuff done throughout the day. Him being in here. He'll wake up once he's hungry. I'm gonna go pump to make sure he has food. Alright you guys, so I have Amari's bottle. This is milk that I just pumped using my Medela breast pump or whatever. It's 3 ounces. I saved a little bit over just in case he wants more than 3 ounces, because I think he is going through, you know, one of those growth spurts where he starts to eat more. So I'm gonna go wake him up. Alright you guys, so that concludes my newborn routine video. You guys got to see me give Amari a bath, change his diaper, breastfeed him. You got to see him take a little nap in his swing. And now he's outside relaxing in the backyard. It's a beautiful 80 degrees in New York right now. And it's good to bring your newborn outside to get some fresh air if the weather permits. This is Amari's favorite thing to do, and we don't get to do it that often because of the COVID-19. But I think we had a good day, right buddy? Say yeah! Yay! Say bye-bye! Say bye-bye! You're not ready to go? So that wraps up this video. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the little bell and turn on your post notifications so you'll be up to date whenever we post any new videos. And without further ado, we will see you in the next one. Say bye-bye. That's as close as you're gonna get.